Okay, hello everybody. Today I will be showing you what's in my crew bag and also what's in my handbag for work and what's in my lunch bag, because I have 3 bags to take to work every day. So let's get started. First I'll be showing you my handbag, which is right here. Well, here I have a keychain. Of course, every cabin crew should have this. Then if we open it, we will find, okay, in this first pocket I have this to protect me, which is Our Lady Loreto, which is the patroness of aviators and also travelers. I have this to protect me. I'm a believer, I know. Then here I have some tissues, because we always need tissues. Then on the next pocket I have my passport, also my flying license, and all this work stuff that I have to show every day at work during the briefing. Then I have my makeup bag. This is a very nice cabin crew makeup bag. I really love it. It's from Transversion. I think it's an American brand. I got it from eBay and I absolutely love it. You know, it's so funny. Here it says Transversion, put safety first, enjoy and do the safety dance. So I thought it would be fun, and also it's good for my handbag, as you can see. So inside my makeup bag I have all the essentials, just in case we have to stay overnight somewhere. So here I have Bad Gal. This is a product from Benefit. It's quite good. I really like the size. It's a travel size. Then I have my little mirror. This one has light inside. I really like it. You know, hello. And you can light it from here. So I really like it. Then I also have some brushes. This one is from MAC. This one is for the eyeshadow. I also have this one. This one I use it for my contouring and also for blush. And this one, I use this one every single day, I would say. It's for my powder foundation. I really like it. This one was a bargain from Primark. I think it was like £1, £1.50, something like that. And it's so cute. If you can see the rocks here, that's so cute. Then I have my foundation. It's so old. This one is from MAC. It's NC43 Studio Fix. As you can see, I use it every day just to mattify a little bit my foundation on my face. Then I have a blush. This one is from Rimmel. It's just a tiny blush. This one is called Pink Sugar. It's pretty nice. I mean, it's just basic. I also have a foundation. This is not the one that I use every day, but because I can't pass through security so many liquids, I just, you know, think that this one is good, because it's a cream. So as you can see, I barely used it. It's just for an overnight. This is Derma Blend. It's very good. This one is in the shade of 45 Gold. Then my lipstick, this is the one that I use the most, is from Avon. It's called Ravishing Rose. It's matte. It's really nice. I really like it. I have plenty of these kind of things, but I can't take everything with me. I also have this one is from Maybelline. It's a cover stick. This one, it doesn't say the shade. Ivory. It's just, again, in case of an unexpected overnight. Okay, what else I have? Okay, here, this is for my eyebrows. It's just a pencil, and it also comes with this little brush. I really like it. Then this is from Revlon. This is just a brush for my lips, nothing in particular. This is from Lord & Berry. This is for my lips, to contour them, and it doesn't have any color, so it's great, you know, because if I'm wearing a red lipstick, then I don't need the red lip liner to match it, so it's great. And this is just a very cheap eyeliner from Extreme. I'm not sure about this brand. It was very cheap. It was like £1 from somewhere, and this saves my life sometimes. And what else? This is from eBay. It's just to contour. I also have a little comb just in case. Then, okay, let's finish here. I also have my leather gloves for winter, nothing special. My house keys, this is so cute, from Panam, and again this, I have more like brushes, like tiny ones, just in case, you never know. Then I have some wipes. This is just to clean my hands. Then pencil. Here I have a pen. And blotting paper. This is to absorb the shine of my makeup sometimes. This is quite handy. Okay, this is just my handbag. Now I'll be showing you my lunch bag. I think that this is a great size because I usually take so many things with me to eat and drink, because I like to keep hydrated and happy. So I'll be showing you what's inside. Here I have my EPOS. This is for work. We use this to charge and also to take card payments, so I just keep it here. This is just to drink my teas, my coffees, nothing special, but I love it. I love the colors. It's pink. Then what else? I have my toiletries here. I have this deodorant, of course. I have the case for my contact lenses when I'm wearing them. I also have that Evian. It's like a spray to keep my face hydrated during the flights. And that's oops, sorry. That's just a hand cream. I think it's from Nivea. Something like that. I don't remember. I use it every day. And this is just a moisture lotion. Just in case of an overnight. Here is my breakfast. I love porridge so much, and this gives me so much energy. So I keep plenty of them. These are from Quaker. They are very nice, and you just need hot water and that's it. And I also have this little pot for my porridge. Yeah. In this bag I have all my teas and coffees. As you can see, I love teas. What else we have? Some snacks. These are crisps from Weight Watchers. I also have some cereal bars because I just love them, and that's it. And now I'll be showing you what's in the real crew bag. Okay, so here just have these keychains that are so cute. This one, it's just my crew tag with my crew code inside. Then just a little plane, just random stuff. And I'll be showing you what's inside. I have my high-vis here, that's very important. I have a bottle of water, my high-vis. At the very bottom, I'm not gonna take this, but I have the spare clothes just in case of an overnight. I have underwear, I have trousers, I think I have a sweater or something like that, just random stuff. Here I think I have my first aid kit. It's very important. I just have plasters and that kind of stuff. Here I have some makeup brushes from MAC. Have a tea towel. This is to remove all the hot food from the oven. I have a hairbrush just in case, again overnight. These are my cabin shoes. These are so trashed right now, but I love them. These are from Piccadilly, of course. I'm a very big fan of Piccadilly, and these are amazing. I have some paperwork that I should change right now because they are a little bit wet. And here I have spare tights. These are amazing for cabin crew. These are light support from Pretty Polly, and they are good for cabin crew because they compress your legs. So these are great. These are the ones that I use every single day. So that's it. That's it. If you would like to watch something else, cabin crew related or not, please give me a comment, and thanks for watching. Bye.